तो हम लोग अभी निकले फर्स्ट कैंप के लिए. It's we just left for the camp 1. Today is the first day of our expedition and they're getting ready. Everybody is excited to establish the camp 1. And we have just started ascending to camp 1. So friends, oh, this was the route. Oh, climbing this. Well done.
Wat doet beneden? Het is ook sterk.
Zijn we gewoon aan de water staan een paar keer. Ja nou. Jeez. This is the last part of the camp 1. We are at camp 1 now, establishing camp 1. Equipment's right here, and we'll move back to base camp then after establishing the first camp. Finally we are at camp 1. We just established the camp 1 now, and we'll be leaving in a while back to the base camp. We'll descend back to base camp. We are descending to base camp now after establishing our camp 1.